Hi folks, today's menu we're going to be having something really easy, really tasty, and if you miss summer, it'll remind you of the 4th of July. It will be my take on the All-American hamburger with fries. Simple Sundays cooking with Zion. So how I prepare the meat is I use 50-50, 22% fat and 15% fat. I use teriyaki and kikkoman soy sauce and kosher salt, and I apply, put inside to taste. Now this is how I mix my meat. I toss it almost like a salad, so that I keep it nice and airy and I don't press all the muscle together and compress it. I keep it light, fluffy, so that when I go and make my handmade hamburgers, I can really just shape them to the size that I need them to have to be. And it's just that simple, and pretty much it is, and it's just to your taste. And we want to have that nice meaty taste, not very fully seasoned, like or over seasoned. Thank you. And that's it. These are ready to go. We're back. These are my take on the roasted potato wedges. They're garlic and Parmesan seasoned, and with I use avocado oil. And today I have a very special guest. He's our support group, my support team, and his name is Al. There he is. He's hiding from us. He's camera shy, but actually he's giving me some direction also today. So these are the potato wedges that I will be placing into the oven. But this is how we do it. We take some salt, apply some salt. This is kosher salt. I'm going to take the Parmesan cheese, dry. Sprinkle that on them. I can't mess up here right now because I got my boy over there, and he'll put me to the chop if I muff up his food. A little bit of garlic powder to your liking. That should be good enough. There it is. A little bit of oil. Spread it around nice and evenly. And I'm going to just do one more hit of salt. And you just mix them. Make sure you rotate them so that all of them are covered with the oil and the seasoning, the Parmesan cheese. And I will place these on a cookie sheet in the oven at 350 degrees. And they should be nice and delicious to accompany our all-American hamburger that we're going to tear up. And this is what you call the All-American hamburger. With all-American hamburger people to enjoy. Good stuff.
Thank you.
Yay!
Thank you. Gracias a Dios.
What are you doing? You need to go outside? You need to go outside?
Hi folks. Today's menu, we're going to be having something really easy, really tasty, You missed. Bitch.
It's you. Stop causing trouble.
Hey! Hey! Skedaddles! Hi folks. Today on the menu, we're gonna have something easy, something really tasty, and damn it.
And I don't know what it is.
Hi folks. Today on the menu, it's gonna be something simple, easy, and tasty. Mine?
Well, what is it?
Live?
What are
we... Summer. Okay, got it.
What are we having? I'm interested. But what is it? Oh, God. Okay.
Folks, on today's menu, we're going to have something really easy, really tasty, and if you miss summer, well, it'll make you feel like it's the 4th of...
Dude, come on, you gotta have more energy.
Okay. Hi folks, today's menu, we're going to have something really easy, really tasty, and if you miss summer, it'll remind you of the 4th of July. We're going to be having the all-American hamburger, my style, my take, my taking review. Shit. Okay, whew. So that line, let's see. Stop. It's my take on the American hamburger, accompanied with some French fries, steak fries, fuck fries, fucking fries.